Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2016 Ram Outdoorsman Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E1589P. 23,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Ram seat 6, cloth interior. Flat load floor for additional cargo space with storage underneath, as well as in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Power sliding rear window. The Ram is very unique and is the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best ride on the market without sacrificing towing and hauling capacity. Locking tailgate, backup camera, trailering package. Camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Outdoorsman has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, and dual zone automatic temperature control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger. Lots of storage space with all the owner's materials inside. Dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding door control. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles a gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.